The first step in bulk enrolling users into a course is to prepare the CSV file with the user and course information. The required fields are username and Course 1, which is the course short name of the course into which learners will be enrolled. This can be found in Course Admin of the relevant course on the Edit Settings page. Once your CSV file is ready, you can navigate to Site Admin and on the User Management page, click on Bulk Upload Users. Here you can simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. Review your delimiter and encoding settings and click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to continue. You will then be given the opportunity to preview the user upload and specify your upload settings. When selecting the upload type, you can select Update Existing Users Only to ensure that the system does not try to create new users. You can then select to override existing user details with the uploaded file. Then scroll down and click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to perform the upload. The results of your bulk upload will then be displayed, and you will be able to see how many users were successfully enrolled into your course.